Okay, welcome guys. This is Mark FX and I trade solely USDPY. And if you trade solely USDPY, this is very much a channel you want to subscribe on, like, and also be part of this channel. So USDPY is giving us a very good price action as you can see here. The market has tested this resistance level, let's say this resistance level, and it gave us a strong demand zone here, which burst out, then came back as support, then created a higher high, and during the increase of USD interest rates, we have this strong push to the downside. This strong push to the downside, and buyers have been trying to push the market up since then. So now we have a very interesting price action, an evening star, which is very good, a very good signal telling us these sellers has come back to the market. They are back to the market and they want to push the price down. So as you can see here, let me clear this shot. Okay. So as you can see, we have this zone right here. This was the major key structure for this uptrend as it was going up, and now it has been broken. So we are waiting for a retest, then a continuation. Basically, that's what I'm looking for. So let's drop down to our daily time frame. So on the daily time frame, what do we see? Okay, we have a market that is currently trending downward. Okay, I mean trending down, pull back. At this point, the market gave us a very strong supply zone here, and we'll see that when we go to the 4 hour. So we are waiting for this resistance zone, this support now, zone resistance to go on for an entry. Well, we're looking for a good entry. So let's go down to the 4 hour to make more explanation. So on the 4 hour, what do we see here? Okay, if you trade with, you see that this is kind of this right here is a one wave down, right? Then there is what you call trends in trends, or kind of a pullback. And inside a pullback, you still have a wave, which is this wave A, wave B. Okay, this is the main wave, started from here to this downside. This is the major, then wave A, wave B, then wave C. So this is what I'm waiting for, the ABC wave to continue this trend to the downside. This is basically what I'm going for, and we are currently on the wave B right now. So what am I looking for? What am I looking for? Like I said, we have a good supply zone right here, which have not been executed. And for me, I'll basically wait for that for price to come to my zone. That's what I really do. I don't really chase price because of most times the B the B is kind of a manipulation. People they use it to kind of draw buys that they will use to complete the C way, understand, to accumulate positions, you understand, volatility that will help them to push the market up. So I don't really involve myself until it comes to my zone. Understand? The zone is where I want to trade. I don't want to trade anywhere else. I want to trade in my zone. So if you go to my 1 hour, some people will ask, how do you find your zone? Like me, I use my session indicator, which is my basically the New York session and the London session. These are the sessions I trade. And also, what do I do? What do I do? So if you come to this place where you have this big dunk, you see, you have this big dunk telling us somebody came to the market and dumped this money. So we just use our volume profile to look for where these guys drop their money. So if you take the provide prover, it will give you the exact zone where these guys dropped this cash, where the most traded volume for that section or for this growth section here. And this is a confirmation that this supply zone is actually a big supply zone. So what I'm waiting for basically, let me take off this thing. What I'm waiting for basically, we have this A, right? We have this A. We are waiting for the end of this B, which we don't have yet. Before we get a C. C might be here, but we know that this is our zone. Then go for a continuation of this B. Firstly, I want to see something like a break of structure. Understand? A break of structure before I go in for my sales. I want to see a break of structure right here. I want to see a break of structure, then a pullback, then before I continue my sales. That's what I'm basically looking for. That's what I want to see before I call it a trade. I'll not just jump into the market like that. So many people do that and it's wrong. You have to see the market shifts before you go on. You have to be reactive with the market and not predictive. Not like, yeah, let's put all the no, it's very wrong. And also, what are for people that want to take it, want to take the short term trade for on Friday, this is where the most traded volume was. So for a short term trader, you should be looking out for this zone. So basically something like this, like there are a break or a retest, then that's where the C starts. The market is reactive and not predictive. You follow what the market is giving you and not what you think in your head. Trade what you see and not what you think. Because this game is a very serious game. You don't trade based according to how you feel. Because believe me, you feel a lot of things. So this is what I'm basically looking for a short in my supply zone. So do well, I drop my weekly analysis, my weekly projection, and also a review on the trade I took, which is this one right here. This one, and so what I basically did was, so, so how I really took this nice, wonderful trader here. This wonderful trade gave me good tips was I use my volume profile, which I always do. And one thing I noticed is the volume profile really gives you the zone where the market will actually react to. So it's a wonderful tool, and many people don't know how to use it. Some people will like take the volume for the whole day and trade it the next day. And for me, I'll say that is wrong because of it's better you trade a particular session. Like I trade only the London session and the New York session. So I just look for volumes that are under the New York session and the London session. So what I do is I go on my session indicators so I'll know the section. What I do, I take the volume profile for this section. As you can see right here, it gave me this zone. You can see a very small supply zone right here. What I do is I'll mark out this zone out, mark it out. Then what I'll just be waiting for is wait for the market to come to my zone. As you can see the market going down, then trended up. Then once I see a push, like in my 15 minutes, I see an engulfer, a doji, Wavestone Joji, any bearish price action that would make me to jump in, I go right away, I jump in into the trade. And believe me, the 1 to 3 weeks reward ratio works very fine using the profile toolbar. So thank you guys. Remember to subscribe and like this video. See you in my next video. Thank you.